Hey everyone, welcome back to Pooh's Great Adventures. We just got back from our 14-day transatlantic cruise. Pooh was with Jess hunting for snacks during this part of the trip, so he's not in this footage. And unfortunately, there was no honey in this store. Also, just a quick heads up, I quickly filmed this on my phone because we weren't planning to make a full video at the time. The store was busy, people were moving through quickly, so the footage is a bit shaky. But it shows the store clearly, and that's the important part. So this is what we experienced when sailing from Terminal E, also known as the Helix cruise terminal in Barcelona. Prior to sailing, we saw this question often online in our Facebook cruise group or on popular cruise boards. Can you bring alcohol on board when sailing from Barcelona? We saw tons of conflicting answers about this. Cruise line policies are usually pretty clear. No outside alcohol except for 1 bottle of wine per adult. But when you're departing from Terminal E, the Helix terminal, there is a full duty-free store that you walk through after checking in and after going through security, meaning you are already inside the boarding area when you get to the store. While waiting for our boarding group to be called, we were free to shop. The store has wine, champagne, rum, vodka, whiskey, liqueurs, pretty much a full selection. Beer was available, though not in case quantities, more like smaller packs, individual cans. They also had soda, mainly Coke products like Coke, Coke Zero, and Fanta. Heads up, not in the typical 12-pack we see in the States. They did also carry water, so you could buy water bottles there if you like. Here's the key part. Everyone we saw who bought alcohol was able to carry it directly on board. My friends picked up 1-liter bottles of Bailey's Irish Cream, Fireball, Captain Morgan's Black Spice Rum, and something else I don't remember. We brought on board a liter of Fireball and a liter of Bailey's. No one stopped us. No one collected it to hold until the end of the cruise. There were no signs directing you to self-check your liquor purchases that usually you see in, say, the Caribbean ports when boarding. We took ours straight to our stateroom with no issues at all. So, if you're boarding specifically from Terminal E, the Helix cruise terminal in Barcelona, you can expect to have access to a duty-free shop after security and before boarding. And based on our experience, you can take those purchases directly onto the ship. Just keep in mind, this is what we experienced at this terminal. Other terminals in Barcelona may handle things differently, though I have heard that it is very similar. Hope this helps clear up some of the pre-cruise confusion that you might have. Pooh is still disappointed there was no honey, but I think he'll manage. Thanks for watching. We will be posting a few more short videos from the duty-free stores in Malaga, Cadiz, and Tenerife. And of course, Pooh has some stuff he wants to share from this great adventure. So remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.